Alright, today I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to properly slide a fifth wheel on a tractor. Got it set up ready over here for us for the demonstration. This tractor does have a sliding fifth wheel. Here's the procedure. I'm gonna get in my tractor and release the slider pins, release the lock by switching the button. I'm gonna leave the trailer brake set and release just the tractor brakes. I'm gonna move tractor in the opposite direction I want a fifth wheel to go. So if I want a fifth wheel to go backwards, that's the rear of the tractor. That's what I have to do first. I will move forward. If I want my fifth wheel later on to go forward like it is right now, I will go on the reverse. Keep in mind, especially with a fifth wheels, we may experience something called binding. It might be hard to release that fifth wheel. You may have to rock it back and forth in order to release it. So here's how it's done. Once you are done sliding fifth wheel, make sure you take a look at both sides, make sure that the pins are out and the fifth wheel is locked. See me rocking it back and forth in order to set the pins. Okay, on this side. And we are set on that side. That's it.